Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Shakina and I'm back with another fabulous tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to slay the eyebrows, of course. And now before we get into the video, I want you dolls to smash that like button, comment and let me know if these techniques work for you. And also subscribe if you want to be a part of the dolls gang. And turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload, because you know a girl is playing over here. You don't want to be missing nothing I be posting, you know. So now, without further ado, let's get into the video. So these are the stuff that we need to slay the brows. This is our angle brush, spoolie, concealer brush, and buffing brush. Also, we have our eyebrow pomade. Well, this is not really a pomade. This is the old time Eyebrow gel liner. And this is in the shade brown, and I have my Eyebrow concealer. Oh, this is my whole girl. And this is my baby. And this is in the shade medium beige. Right. So now we are going to slay. So, okay, just dip that angle brush into your pomade, making sure that it gets smooth. Get all the product. We don't need too much, but what's too much? But yeah, just making sure it's pointy and nice. And now we can come up close. It come in up close. Damn, yo, close. Right. But right now, all we gotta do is take our spoolie brush. Make sure our eyebrows are in line. Now take our angle brush. Let's look. So now I'm just drawing one straight line at the bottom, starting from the top. I don't know when I can see it. Started from the bottom now, eh? And we coming around. Can you see me? Good. Now we at the top. Just drawing a straight line at the top. So now I'm about to fill in. So right now I'm just filling in. So we are going to press the brush down and then give it a little twist. So now I'm just filling in the front lightly. She's slaying. Don't worry about me looking crazy. Concealer and this spoolie can hurry. So right now we're going to take the spoolie and brush upwards. Ooh, when I see that there, we coming along. I normally brush it through the eyebrow. Who's that? My eyebrows need trimming for true. My eyebrow really feeling me today. But they say your eyebrows are sisters. Well, mine are cousins. If you realize that you took away too much of the eyebrow pomade, all you gotta do is just go back in with some more. And you can do that. Okay, so now it's time to conceal, and I'm using the Maybelline. Not Maybelline. I'm using LA Girl. I don't know why it's the same Maybelline all the time. LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade medium beige, and of course a flat concealer brush. And I just paste it back and forth. So now it's time to So I'm just doing a nice straight line, following the natural shape of the eyebrow. Now this is where the buffing brush comes in. So we're gonna take the buffing brush and just buff away that concealer. Ooh. So we are dabbing, dab, 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 dab. And just sweeping it downward here. Ooh. Dab again, dab, 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 dab. Sometimes I don't use this brush. I use the same concealer brush. Wait, oh my god, my eyebrow. Look at the concealer there. Don't worry, I can clean that up. Sometimes I use the actual concealer brush and just blend it out. But today we feel like using the buffing brush to make sure we got a nice seamless eyebrows. Cause how I see some girls' eyebrows then got a contrast. So now we are going in with a darker color. This is the color Cool Tan, and I'm just going to put this at the top of my eyebrows. So the same technique. Yeah, this is a bit. There's a lot of concealer. Might be a little too sharp, but here somewhere. So we're gonna do the same thing, just dab. Same thing with the other brow, just following it. Following the natural shape of my brow, man. You could even connect the two lines with the concealer if you want. That would probably help some people, but it's often misleading because when you blend in the middle, sometimes it won't start to look bigger than next. But if you got like a good eye for these kind of things, for contrast, and come here, you're good to go. See me trying to make sure this one look like bigger than this one in front. The hardest part, and then we are going to finish the brow. Make sure the two lines connect to the bottom concealer and the top. Yeah, so if you guys realize that you put on a lot of concealer and it has like a line of liquid on the eyebrows, what you're going to do is take the tip of the concealer brush, press it where the liquid is, and just pull it up, just drag it up. So that way you'll be getting rid of any bubbles or any liquid and concealer that you don't want. And yeah, so now I'm buffing away my life again. Just buff, 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 buff. Just buff it. See how nice that looks? When I put on my foundation, this can be but to me, this eyebrow, the end here, look a bit more thicker than this one. I can't remember which one is my good eyebrow. I think this one. I mean down there. But that's why I have my list here. You know? In case this. Now we are finished with our eyebrows. The first thing I want to do now, or we want to do, we want to buff away the middle. So get rid of that line of concealer you have connected. Yeah, and just buff it in. You don't need any more concealer, just use the excess concealers on the brush and just dab away, make it look naturally fine. But either way, the foundation is going to take care of that, but it makes sense to just get rid of the harsh lines before it dries in like that. And yeah, just taking a bit more concealer in front, just clean it up some more. Okay guys, so that's all you need to know about doing your eyebrows. Hope you guys try the technique and hope they are beneficial for you. And also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notification bell. And yeah. And also I'm going to do a recreation of Brianna Marie's makeup look. So right after, but probably that video can be up before this. But either way, you can click it so you can watch and see. Hope I got glammed. So yeah, dolls, be good. Bye.